All right, class, let's gather round. We're diving into a volume that's less dusty old theory and more a hard-won map from a true titan of industry, high-output management. The mind behind it, Andy Grove, wasn't some academic in an ivory tower. He was the very heart of Intel. Picture this. He took a company making memory chips, and with a bit of grit and genius, turned it into the microprocessor giant that powered the entire PC revolution. So, what's the magic in these pages? How can it help us, in our own endeavors, make sure our goods, so to speak, get where they need to go, and smartly at that? Now, this first slide, it's all about asterisk grasping the book's soul right from the outset. Asterisk, wadachiso. Goods to their destination. Sounds simple, like a well-run post office, but it's deeper. It's about getting every resource, every talent, every bright idea, to the precise spot it can do the most good. The subtitle, Gao Chanshur Guanli Yao Yi Donshi, Essential Insights into High-Output Management, tells us our job today, to truly understand its core. And that lovely Moyun Danshi Lesko Wujos inkwash painting, investigating things to gain knowledge. It's a nod to old wisdom. Learn by doing, by examining, and then wield your management skill like a master artist. But what exactly is Grove laying out for us? Let's turn the page on that question. This next slide asks a rather pointed question. Solstice. What's this book truly telling us? Asterisk. Ever wondered why some outfits hum along like a brand new steam engine, all power and grace, while others rattle and clank like a sack of tin cans tied to a dog's tail? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question of management. This book doesn't just ponder. It claims to have bottled the very essence of that smooth operation. Mr. Grove, you see, reckoned management wasn't some dark art. No, he saw it as something akin to precision engineering, or maybe navigating a tricky stretch of the Mississippi. It demands method, a keen eye and a steady hand. Not just gut feelings, but solid, workable principles. Makes you wonder, doesn't it, what specific charts and compasses Grove provides for this journey? Here we have it, the heart of the matter. Asterisk. What is a manager actually? For asterisk. The book lays it out plain and simple. A manager's job is to asterisk, generate output, asterisk. Now, hold on. This isn't just about your asterisk to-do list. It's about the grand total, the sum of what your team and everyone your work touches, achieves. Grove himself put it this way. A manager's output is the output of the organizational units under his or her supervision or influence. That's a powerful statement. It means your worth isn't just in your own sweat, but in how you lift the entire crew. So how does one go about boosting this collective output? What are Grove's recommended tools? Now we get to a crucial concept. Asterisk. The management lever. Asterisk. Think of it as the secret to getting the biggest bang for your buck. Or as the slide says, the art of achieving maximum results with minimal toil. It's about finding those actions a manager can take that create a ripple effect, boosting everyone's productivity. We've got two kinds. Asterisk. High leverage activities. Asterisk. Think of smart training, careful planning, or giving crystal clear directions. One good decision here can save a world of trouble later. Then there are asterisk, low leverage activities. Asterisk, getting bogged down in tasks others can do, or meddling too much. It's like Archimedes said, find the right lever and fulcrum, and you can move the world. But what specifically are these high-impact levers in a manager's toolkit? Let's talk about a place many dread, yet Grove sees as vital. The art of the meeting. Meetings. The bane of many in existence, often seen as time sinks. But Grove turns this on its head, claiming meetings are where work happens. He points to two key types. First, one-on-one meetings. Regular chats with your direct reports. These aren't for grilling folks, but for coaching, listening, and nipping problems in the bud. Second, process-oriented meetings. These are for making decisions and sharing information, and they absolutely must have a clear purpose, lest they become just hot air. The point isn't to meet, it's to get things done, to solve, to clarify. Beyond these structured powwows, what other instruments does Grove suggest for a manager's orchestra? Next up, a term that sounds a bit academic but is pure common sense. Task relevant maturity. Don't let the fancy words fool you. This simply means figuring out how much handholding someone needs for a specific job. It's about tailoring your approach. As the slide puts it, newcomer to a task needs step-by-step guidance, like teaching someone to ride a bicycle, but an old hand someone who knows the ropes for that particular task. Just tell them the destination, and they'll chart their own course. It's not about a person's overall experience, but their maturity with the task. This means a good manager is like a good tailor, fitting the style to the individual and the situation. How then can we get a better handle on the nuts and bolts of production itself? To understand production, Grove gives us a wonderfully down-to-earth example. The breakfast factory. Imagine your morning routine. Making a boiled egg, some toast, a cup of coffee. Grove takes this everyday scenario and shows how it's a miniature production line, even in an office. He uses it to illustrate the core ideas of production, quality, and efficiency. His point, even if you're not stamping out widgets, you should think like a factory manager. Identify your bottlenecks, what's slowing down the breakfast, keep the flow smooth. This way of thinking helps find ways to boost the entire operation's output, whether it's code, reports, or breakfast. Does that simple kitchen scene make the idea of workplace efficiency a bit clearer? Now, a powerful piece of advice, a true 箴言 or proverb, the undeniable importance of training, Grove is unequivocal here. Training isn't some frill, some nice to have if there's budget left over. No, he argues, it's a fundamental duty of any manager. If your people aren't learning, aren't growing, then you, as the manager, are not fully doing your job. The slide highlights it starkly. Training is a manager's core responsibility. Think about that. It's not just about today's tasks, but building the team's capacity for tomorrow. It's an investment that pays dividends in skill and motivation. Beyond developing people, what else critically influences how well a team performs? Another pearl of wisdom here. The guiding power of indicators. A manager, Grove suggests, needs to know their team's performance just like a ship's captain needs to know the depth of the water. Without good information, you're sailing blind. He was a big fan of paired indicators. What's that? It means measuring two things together, like quantity and quality. Why? To avoid the trap of chasing one good number while another, equally important, goes down the drain. You might crank out more widgets, but if they're all faulty, what have you gained? Measure wisely. Focus on the critical. The slide urges. It's about knowing what truly tells the story. So with good information, how do we then make sound decisions? This brings us to a cornerstone of management. The craft of decision-making. Making a decision in Grove's world isn't just about saying yes or no. That's only half the battle. The real work, he insists, is ensuring everyone involved clearly understands the what, why, when, and how of that decision, so they can then move to action effectively. If people are confused or don't buy in, even the best decision can fall flat. As the slide crisply states, clear decisions are the prerequisite for efficient execution. Ambiguity is the enemy of progress. A decision isn't truly made until it's understood and actionable. How then do we weave all these principles into the fabric of our daily work? We arrive at the concluding thoughts. Summing up this powerful little book. High output management, Grove would tell you, isn't some dusty tome of abstract theories. It's a practical roll-up-your-sleeves guide for anyone whose job involves leading a team and getting results. It teaches us to approach our work with the mind of an engineer, always looking for ways to improve output, boost quality, and make the whole operation run smoother, better, stronger. Think of it as a well-built steamboat, reliable and ready to carry you and your crew towards your goals, navigating the currents of the business world. Has this journey given you a clearer map of what high-output management can offer? And so we reach our final slide, a simple asterisk. Thank you for watching. The message here, 学以致用，精益求精. Apply what you learn and strive for excellence is more than just a sign-off. It's the very spirit of Grove's work and a fine motto for us all. The hope is that the ideas from high-output management won't just stay in these slides, but will find their way into your daily work, helping you to sharpen your skills, lift your teams, and achieve truly valuable things. Thank you for your attention today.